Hi, my name is David, and today I want to do a project demonstration of the capstone project my team and I did at the UC Berkeley Coding Bootcamp. I did this with two other team members, Jonathan and Aaron. We did this in only a couple weeks. Please note that this isn't perfect, there's bugs in it, but it works as an MVP, minimal viable product. This project was created with JavaScript and React as the front end, Express Node with the backend, and MySQL as the database. The reason why Travelpins was created came from a story back when I was a junior at the University of Florida. My dad wanted me to do a study abroad in Bangkok, Thailand, and I wasn't so sure about it. I'm actually Thai, my family's Thai, but I never really or lived there or anything like that. And I've been there with a couple of times with my family, but nothing on my own. I didn't want to leave UF because all my friends were there. I didn't want to get behind on my degree. I was involved with a couple of student organizations, and I didn't want to leave that behind. But after some convention, I ended up doing it, studying abroad in Bangkok my junior year at the University of Florida. And it was one of the best experiences of my life. It was so much fun traveling around, seeing different places, experiencing different foods. But the best part of it was the people I met, specifically the people who I met in the study abroad program, because there were people from all over the world, from different parts of the US, from Canada, from different parts of Europe, Asia, and we all stayed together in this international apartment dorm that they had together. And everyone was so friendly, everyone was so open-minded, everyone wanted to do things together, they want to go eat, they wanted to go to different places, take trips, go experience nightlife, and they didn't care about about your background. They weren't cliquey. They were very welcoming, and these were the kind of people that I really liked. I felt accepted by them, and for the first time in my life, I didn't feel like an outcast, and I actually felt like I belonged. And I wanted to create a sense of community just like this ever since my travel abroad ended. So what this app does is that it does three main things. First, it lets you keep track of all the countries you've been to. So this could make your dreams of traveling the world possible by you seeing all the countries you've been to and what you have left to go. Second, you can upload photos of your travels. Photography is so important because it lets you share your memories about your experiences of each country. These photo albums will be specific for the countries you've been to. And lastly, and most importantly, the sense of community. Travelpins is a social media app where you can follow other users and you can see what countries they have been to, and you can see their photos as well. And this will create the community that I admired back at my study abroad program, my junior year of college. So that is the reasoning behind Travelpins. And now let's begin with the demo. Here is the landing page for the app, web app. You come here and you begin by hovering over the green arrow and get started. Nice effect here. Sign in. We haven't created an account yet, so we do a swipe and you sign up. So you create your information, David AN, David.an for this example, David.an@gmail. And now we sign up. Okay. And now we create an account, we can sign in. David.an, and your password. And this login has a password encrypted, bcrypt, and we use passport to authenticate it. The account is created. And now we see the map of the world. And this map is a Mapbox API. This API is used by Snapchat and other famous websites. And it really allows you to customize it. And more uniquely, you can do a lot of stuff by adding layers, similarly to how Photoshop, you can add layers. So you can see the countries. And first of all, there's a layer that was added to show all the different countries. So it labels it out by country code of these countries. And now let's see a country you've been to. You can drag and drop, and let's say you've been to Italy. Italy. You click on it, and a layer is added, highlighting it red, and you can see it labeled. And now Italy gets popped up on the bottom here. And let's say you've been to this country before. So you get traveled, and it turns blue, and you can upload a photo. Italy. You can see the photo that you're going to submit, and you submit it. Now, see another country you've been to. Let's say you've been to South Korea. You click on it, hovers red, you add travel, it turns blue here, and then you upload a photo to it as well. South Korea, hover, you see it, and you can submit. So this allows you to keep track, see all the countries you've been to. You can click, there's a zoom effect, and all this for all the different countries. Now we can see the other parts of the app, our nav bar, and you can see your profile page. And now you can see that we've been to 2 countries out of 195. As I stated, our username dynamically added. And you can see your pictures that you posted on the app. So, and we can see that once you click your user homepage, this gets clear and gets hovered like that. And this goes back to the map, and then it goes here. And now here is another interesting part, is the home feed page. So you can see, you can search other users. Let's say my friend Sam Calder. And you go to him, and you can follow. And you can see the pictures that he uploaded as well. And you can see that he's been to Costa Rica and Peru. So when you go to Peru, make sure I don't forget Peru, this is one. Go to it, and you can see, oh, your friend's been there. What incredible. How incredible is that? And then you go to homepage, you can see that you're following one person. And so that is the main feature of our app. You log out, and see these are the 2 countries you've been to. You log out. You log back in. David.an, password. You sign in. And voila, what the countries that we saved are still there because it got saved to a database. Everything is still there. Followers and your users are still there. So that's it. That's our project demonstration. We're so proud of this app. And thank you for listening to this demo.